Good morning, boys and girls. We're back at NTI again. This week we only have 2 days. So today I want to talk to you about your last Achieve article. It's called The Other First Thanksgiving. You need to read it and do the activity. And then you need to work on the vocabulary words and turn those in. You will find the assignment under Achieve Sentences 11:23. So if you can get both of those in, I strongly suggest that you go through and look at your 11:2 and 11:10 and 11:17. I should have the 11:2 and 11:10 regraded. If you need to look at those and make corrections and send it back to me, you want to try and get all of that caught up. Additionally, since this is your last story for November, you want to fill out your November calendar for Achieve. I'll be dropping a new calendar next week. I probably will not drop it until next Monday. I might drop it tomorrow, but I'm kind of thinking I want to wait till next week so none of you, so you're not feeling pressured to do it. You can do it next week. You can have a break for Thanksgiving, okay? If you did not turn your poem in and you did not have it done, then you need to get it written. You need to get a picture of it. You need to get it uploaded to me. So those students who were on quarantine or those students who were absent on Friday and didn't turn their final copy in, then you need to get that done and turned in as well. I will be here all day today and tomorrow. I have office hours after 12. So feel free to, contact me. If you know somebody who's having internet trouble and they cannot get on to see the video right now, or they did not make the Google Meet with me, they need to somehow try to get a hold of me. Either call me at school, leave a message with the office, or if you get a chance to send an email or a text, or have your folks send an email or a text, do that as well. But we just need to make sure that you are counted for every day present, and you need to make some contact with us. If you fix something and you turn it in, that counts as present. So if you fix something today and you turn it in, or you work on it tomorrow and you turn it in tomorrow for me, that will count as present for me tomorrow. Okay? So, check the things we want to go back over. Do your Achieve, The Other First Thanksgiving. You need to have read that before our Google Meet and begin working on your sentences. You need to look over your other Achieve sentences, 11:2, 11:10, 11:17, and make sure that those are corrected and turned in to get the highest grade possible. And your Achieve for November. After today, everyone should have read all of their stories. If you did not make a passing grade for that story, then you need to do your makeups today and turn that Achieve for November sheet completed in. Okay? So, this way we're starting December off with everything caught up. All right? So I hope that you will see you on my Google Meet here in just a bit. And if you have any questions, send me an email, call me after 12. We'll figure out what you need, okay? And have a happy Thanksgiving and be safe.